Hi everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a Gothic Lolita headdress. It can be changed to materials and colors to adapt to other styles, so enjoy! Here are some of the materials you will need. I'm using velvet for the main material, cotton, lace of various shapes, and some hooks to attach to the hair. I'm freehanding the pattern, just went for it. I'm starting with the lining here. I cut the exact same shape on the velvet. Here I'm just putting the lace that will have the corset effect. Remember, it needs to be aligned so the corset won't be wonky. Here I'm attaching the satin ribbon. I'm skipping 2 holes. Here is how it looks. I'm cutting the top part and the bottom so I can sew that and it won't be visible on the outside. Here I'm attaching the decorative lace that will be on the outside of the fabric. Here I'm using a French seam to finish the lace. Attach the ribbon that will go around your face above the lace. Now accommodate everything on the inside of your headdress, so once you put the lining it won't be visible. Put the lining and sew everything except a little hole. I added some interface to the lining because it was too light for the headdress, but you can skip this part, that's why I didn't film it. If you did this part correctly, once you turn it inside out, everything will look perfect. Here it's all turned out. Since I didn't like the finished look, I added some more lace. I'm burning the ends so it doesn't fray. This only works with polyester. Here I'm making the bow. It's just a square. You fold it. You sew everything and leave a hole. Cut the edges. Turn it inside out and make the edges perfect. Sew the hole close. Make the middle part of the bow. Fold the rectangle and loop your little rectangle around. I'm hand sewing it. Here's how the bow should look. Attach the bow to the headdress. I'm sewing all around so the bow stays flat and it covers any imperfections the headdress may have. Here's how it should look. Now I'm attaching a cross charm. You may skip this part if you don't want. I'm adding on the bottom of the bow because it looks more neat. Here I'm attaching the clips. They are some old extension clips that I had around. You can use any type of clip you want. Here is the finished look.